Today I'm going to talk about YouTube new features, YouTube Creator Studio Beta. When you log into your dashboard, you can show hello new YouTube Studio Beta, goodbye Classic Studio. YouTube recently decided to remove the YouTube Creator Classic version. Now you have to use the new version, YouTube Creator Beta version. You have to use new version, which is YouTube Creator Beta version. But the previous version, I mean YouTube Creator Studio Classic, that software was so simple and easily can understand people, beginner and expert. They can easily understand this software very well. But the new features, I mean the new studio, YouTube Creator Studio Beta version, that is so complicated. You can't easily use this version as well. In this video, I'm going to talk about this YouTube Studio Beta version, some problem. First, you can't use TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a video SEO software which is free, and premium version is available for all users. Personally, I am using free version. Using this version, you can easily add tag, thumbnail, description. You can easily find your keyword position. But the beta version, there is a several option that is hidden. I know there is a different software which name is vidIQ. Using vidIQ, you can easily do this. But personally, I like to use TubeBuddy because it's very easy, it's very simple. I like it more than vidIQ to feel unique, comfortable using it myself. I don't know why YouTube deleted this previous version, YouTube Studio Classic version, but maybe the new future they will be added more option. But now who are already paid for TubeBuddy, they can't use this. They can't use all features of this software. Anyway, in this video I'm going to show you in this time, I mean May 2020, how can use the previous classic version, YouTube Creator Studio Classic version. How can you use it? Want to know how can you use it? Today I'm going to show you. So I have to go back on computer. For to do this, just you have to go your browser, and this is my dashboard. Just here you looking this TubeBuddy. Just click here and then go SEO Studio. Here, this is the classic version. Wow, this is the Classic Studio version. I like it very much. Using these tools, just simply you can add. There is a lot of option. I like it very much. Just simply one click, and you can add action, insert into current video. Okay, then I close it. Yeah, yes, this is the. Thanks for watching this video, but I don't know how many times this video link will be work. Until valid this link, you try to work. Maybe YouTube Creator Studio Beta version will be added all of features. I hope that. If my video is helpful, please share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.